Whether the market is up or down, you want to be able to always find the steadiest upward trending stocks. Why? Because you can grow your account with less risk. Sure, there are stocks that are way more volatile out there and they've gone higher, but it's very difficult to trade that type of stock. So let's use Chartacus's unique technical screen features to find those best stocks. We start off by looking at the current stock universe. It's 10,907, right there. Now we're going to trim that down to the best list on which we should focus our trading and investing right now. You start by selecting 4 basic filters. Decile momentum. Select the top decile, number 1, which is the top 10% of all stocks. Then select decile volatility. Select the bottom half of all stocks in the universe based on their volatility. Then select regression line slope and set that to 0.01 because we only want stocks whose current trend line is positive. So the minimum value gets set to 0.01. Then we select regression line R equals 0.70 consecutive counts. Think of this as a quality of the trend or how steady the slope has been. We want the minimum set at 5 because we want the quality score to be at least 0.70 or higher at least 5 consecutive times. And finally, we go to the advanced filters and we select decile relative strength because in any market, we want the stocks that seem to move the strongest versus all other stocks. Select the top relative strength decile number 1, which is the top 10% of all stocks. Now we hit apply. And now you have 69 stocks, probably the best to consider for investing and trading at this time. Let's quickly view the 4-month charts for 3 of them. Let's just take the first one, Abbott, as one of them. Here's the 4-month chart. And look at that chart. It's pretty steady, trending up in a very tight pattern. It's not bouncing all over the place. Let's look at the next one. Let's go to IVL. That's another one, a pretty good looking chart. It's bouncing in a range, definitely trending up and rather consistently. All right. And for the third one, let's go to, let's say the 4th page. Let's load it. And let's pick IDU. And this one is U.S. Utilities ETF. Look how tight that is. That's a trend. And that's a nice steady trend. Low risk trend. See where I'm going here? Now we randomly picked these. And what do we find? We found a drug company with Abbott. The second company, AIVL, is a value ETF. And then we have a utilities fund. So while we would still need to confirm the suggested theme by reviewing more of these, it's funny to note that the companies with the most consistent upward trends, meaning money continues to be added to these companies on a consistent buying tempo, which reflects their building positions, are stocks you would normally see doing well in more defensive markets. Therefore, we could use this as an indication that money managers are starting to take risk off the table and get defensive. Perhaps an indication of things to come? Definitely something to think about. Anyway, this is another great advantage when you look for these types of stock charts, which you can do so easily in Chartacus, because it really tells you where the consistent money is going. Okay, that's it for today. If you haven't yet signed up for the 2-week free trial, then now is your chance. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon in the Trading Coliseum.